creamy, thick, luscious, delicious methi paneer can defeat any tasty non-veg items in terms of its flavor, presentation and aroma. Please do not forget to try this super tasty palatable preparation at your home.
Hello friends, welcome to Lopamudra's presentation. Our today's dish is Methi paneer. If you cook it with heart, it will become superb in taste. It goes well with roti. So, let's make it.
First, take out the roots of methi saag. I prefer not to chop methi leaves. I pluck its leaves as shown, but it is time consuming. I have plucked all the methi leaves. Mince half a big onion, 3 garlic cloves and ginger. Along with this we need 2 dry red chilies, little bit hing, total 3 teaspoons of whole garam masalas like cumin seeds, coriander seeds, cloves, black peppercorn and bay leaf pieces. Now cut malai paneer in big rectangular pieces. Here I have taken around 12 pieces. Let's discuss the other ingredients during cooking. Now clean and dip methi leaves with salt and water for a few minutes to wash out its bitterness. Heat the pan and mustard oil. Let's fry paneer first in medium flame with little salt. Fry all sides of paneer pieces to make paneer pieces intact during cooking. And it will increase the taste too. We need to soak the paneer pieces into lukewarm water to maintain their softness. Otherwise, paneer pieces will be hard while eating. It is a small trick to maintain the softness of paneer. Frying is done, so let's soak all these paneer pieces in lukewarm water. Now put some oil and fry whole garam masalas and dry red chilies for few seconds in medium flame. Add minced onion, ginger and garlic and fry with little salt. Salt will help to fry faster. After frying, let's make a smooth paste of it besides dry red chilies. We will use mixture or grinder to prepare a paste. Again put some oil and fry the paste. Add previously separated dry red chilies. Then add methi saag, stir and fry in medium flame. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. After some time, add half teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Stir properly. After proper frying, add khoya kheer. It will give a creamy taste and make a smooth, thick, luscious, tasty preparation. I have added 6 teaspoons of khoya kheer pieces. Mix properly. Now add 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce to balance the sour taste. Add salt and stir continuously. Frying is done. Let's add full cream milk to boil. Add paneer pieces too. Here I use only milk instead of water to maintain its creamy taste. Be careful during boiling as milk spill out. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon to get all my videos notifications. I will wait for your like and comment. If you like my video, please share it with others. Add 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of condensed milk to make it thicker. I am sharing some of my good recipes in my description box. Please check those and try those at your home. Add 1 or 2 green chilies and kasuri methi for flavor. Please add kasuri methi only if needed, as last time I didn't need kasuri methi for this preparation. It depends on methi saag actually. My whole room is filled with fantastic aroma of methi paneer. Please check the consistency. Isn't it good? Taste is also awesome. Let's serve it. This lovely, creamy, luscious, fragrant and mouth-watering recipe is a must-try preparation. Please let me know how's it. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.